Simple ways to save $10,000 quickly, a $27 daily strategy. Let's be honest, saving $10,000 sounds impossible for most people. But what if I told you you don't need to be a genius, have a high salary, or hustle for extra income? All you need is $27 a day. Today I'll show you a simple, automatic strategy that can save you $10,000 faster than you think. And stick around because I'll also share a hidden trick that helped me save even faster without feeling the pinch. Let's begin. Saving money is simple, but it's not easy. Most people try to save whatever is left at the end of the month, and that's why they never succeed. But here's the reality. Wealth doesn't come from what you earn, it comes from what you keep. And with this $27 daily strategy, you're going to learn how to keep more without stress. Here's how it works. Step 1. Set up a dedicated savings account, not your main account. This is your $10,000 fund. Name it clearly. Psychology matters. Step 2. Automate a daily transfer of $27. Most people fail because they save manually. You won't. Set your bank to automatically transfer $27 daily to your $10,000 fund. Step 3. Make it invisible. Turn off notifications for this account. Out of sight, out of mind, but always growing. Why $27 a day? Let me show you the secret behind $27. $27 a day sounds small, but it's powerful. That's $800 a month. In just 12 months, $9,720, almost $10,000. Most people can't save $800 at the end of the month, but they can save $27 a day without feeling it. This is called micro-saving automation. It's how even lazy savers become consistent. But $27 a day is too much. No, it's not. If you change how you think. Skip one expensive coffee plus one lunch out. That's $27. Cut a random subscription plus one Uber. That's $27. Split it. $14 in the morning, $13 at night. You won't even notice. Saving isn't about sacrifice, it's about design. Hidden trick, double your speed. Here's how you save even faster. Every time you scroll finance content, transfer an extra $1 to your $10,000 fund. This is called the scroll and save rule. You're already scrolling, watching, and learning. Now you're getting paid for it. Quick fact, did you know? If you save just $27 a day for 3 years, you'll have $30,000 saved without a raise, side hustle, or even thinking about it. Tiny changes, big difference. So, will you be the person who says, I can't save, or the person who quietly builds $10,000, $27 at a time? Comment $27 a day if you're starting today. Subscribe Growth Dose for more calm money strategies, because real wealth isn't loud, it's smart. And in the next video, I'll show you how to use this $10,000 for simple, low-risk investments. Let's grow quietly, consistently, and on your terms.